पहिल्या पावंड्यार 4 ब्लॉकांची पावणी जाली. तातूंत 9 लिजां आशिल्लीं. आतां दुसरो पावंडो. दुसऱ्या पावंड्या मायनिंग ब्लॉकाचे पावणेक बीड करपाची बुधवारा निमाणी तारीख आशिल्ली. 5 ब्लॉकांक 11 कंपन्यांची 24 बीड आयल्यात. मायनिंग ब्लॉकाची दुसऱ्या पावंड्यावयली पावणी प्रक्रिया सुरू. बेरेस्तारा बीड केल्ल्या कंपन्यांचे तंत्रीक बीड उक्ते केले. कंपन्यांच्या डॉक्युमेंटाचें तांत्रीक मूल्यमापन सुरू. एकूण 7 लिजां धरून 5 मायनिंग ब्लॉक पावणेर. 11 कंपन्यांचे मेळून 5 ब्लॉकां खातीर 24 बीड.
सेकंड ऑप्शन ई ऑप्शन करतले मायनिंग ब्लॉकांचे तुजो प्रोसेस खंय आतां पर्यंत खंय पावला आनी फुडें डेट्स कश्यो आहा ऑप्शनाच्यो कितल्यो केल्या फायनल?
तुमकां खबर आसा की फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान 30th सप्टेंबर 2022 फर्स्ट NIT लॉन्च केल्ली आनी आमी ते सक्सेसफुली ऑप्शन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट केला मार्चान. देर आफ्टर वी हॅव इश्यूड अ लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट टू ऑल द 4 सक्सेसफुल preferred bidders, what we call them, white letter dated 13th January 2023, and they were given to the preferred bidder at a public function at Bicholi on 15th January 2023. That particular auction was for 4 blocks. Now on 25th January 2023 we had launched a second NIT for 5 blocks. And the last date for sale of tender was 30th of March 2023, and yesterday was the last date for bid submission. In all, 35 tenders were sold for 5 blocks, of which we have received 24 bids from 11 companies. Today we have opened the technical bid, and technical evaluation will happen from next day, tomorrow onwards, towards the documents submitted by the bidders. Along with technical bid, online they have also submitted their initial price offer. Now after technical evaluation, technically qualified bidders will be notified. Then the auction window will start from 17th April to 27th April. We will do the auction block by block. Say for the first day, 17th, we will open the block 5 initial price offer. The next day the auction will happen, and so on and so forth. Then the auction process will get completed by 27th of April 2023.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आणि ओमकार फळारी.